Hello, creatures of the night, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Be sure to like and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Anyways, today's video is going to be costumes I do for Halloween. It's kind of like last minute slash like DIY or whatever. So, boo! Did I scare you? Anyway, so if you haven't guessed, the first costume is a ghost. And obviously you can cut out eye holes and a mouth hole for this. I just didn't want to ruin the sheets, so okay, here we go. Here I am. Now, so there's the first costume for you. Then for the second costume I have is the person that may not want to like wear exactly 100% of costumes, so maybe like a teenager and or an adult, which is just like a Halloween shirt, and this one glows in the dark, and some leggings, like they can just be black or Halloween leggings if you have Halloween leggings. So anyways, now let's go ahead and get into the next part, next costume. Anyways, the next costume is a pumpkin. So anyways, I have like a green hat or like a green headband or whatever you can find. And then just a blanket, which I just tied. And obviously you're going to want to wear a t-shirt of some sort and leggings underneath this costume. And you can also make it into a jack-o'-lantern with some black, sorry about that if you guys saw the ceiling, with some black felt. Like you make it into a jack-o'-lantern with some black felt. And then you can also like either paint your face green or add just like some green eyeshadow. Yeah, and this is also going to be like kind of like, if I didn't mention this earlier, like DIY slash like things they already have in your house costumes. Okay, then time for the next costume. Anyways, the next costume I have for you guys is a nurse. And obviously you just wear like a nurse's like scrubs and some nurse's pants. So like, yeah. So that's what the next costume would be. And to make this into a doctor, you can add like one of those things that you listen to your heart, or like a nurse if you have one at your house. But if you don't, to make it a doctor, if you have like a lab coat or just like a white cardigan, you can make it into a doctor costume. So now we're going to show you the doctor costume. We're just adding a white cardigan because why not? For the nurse's costume. I mean, we're adding a white cardigan to the nurse's costume to make it a doctor's costume. And I'm sorry also if my recording isn't the best because my microphone batteries, it wasn't working right. So yeah, it wasn't working. So I just decided to go without it. So it might not be as loud as usual. So subscribe if you made it this far in. Oh yeah, and if comments are turned on, comment what Halloween costume you like that was your favorite. And if you have any of like, if you what you're going to be for Halloween this year or something like that. Okay. Another costume ideal if you is a baby. So anyways, you would just wear pajamas that match. And if it's a button-up pajamas, wear a tank top underneath or a t-shirt. And then some pajama pants that matches. And then you would also bring a baby blanket, maybe one for that you had from the time that you were a baby. And then you could also bring like a teddy bear or like a dolly, and you could also dress it up in costume too as well. So like this one has a Tinkerbell costume on it. And anyways, we have one more costume after this, and if you want to see a hair and makeup tutorial for any of these costumes, well really there's like really like only one or two that would even need a hair or makeup tutorial. But for the most part, and you'd also put your hair in pigtails if you were going to be a baby for Halloween, but for the most part, like it's mostly just costume. Anyways, the last costume ideal I have for you guys, if you haven't already guessed, is a hippie. So what you would do is wear like a flower headband or tie-dye headband, and then some chunky peace sign earrings. And then here's how the hair did. It's just down with some braids within the headband. And then a tie-dye shirt with some peace sign necklaces, as you can see. Oh, well, that's focused pretty good. Then a flower ring. Then another peace sign bracelet. And another peace sign bracelet. And then a flower bracelet. Then a bracelet that says love. Love. And a tie-dye shirt. You can also, like, if you tie-dyed maybe like over the summer, like with your friends or family, and you could wear it like that. And then obviously some jeans. Some jeans of any type that you have, or jean shorts if it's hot. Sorry about that, you guys. You guys saw the ceiling. and some like jean shorts or or bell-bottom jeans if you have those or can find those. Like, this is the stuff that hopefully you already have at home, or like is super cheap to make or whatever. And I might be doing hair tutorials for some of the outfit ideas if you want to subscribe to this channel. So if I do end up doing that, you won't miss out. So anyways, thank y'all. Please like it and subscribe if you're not subscribed, especially if you're not subscribed. If you want some more Halloween content, hit that red subscribe button. Pretty please, it would help out this channel a lot. Anyways, thank you all for watching, liking, subscriber, and if you're a return subscriber, thank you so much, and happy Halloween. See ya!